How to solve CapCut no internet connection problem on iPhone and iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to solve CapCut no internet connection problem on iPhone and iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, before telling you the solution to this problem, let me tell you that this application is currently banned in India and Afghanistan, due to which you are facing the problem of no internet connection. Now the question arises that how can you solve this problem? To solve this problem, you just have to install a free VPN in your phone. As soon as you install the free VPN, this problem will be solved. So let's install a VPN. For this, first go to the App Store on your iPhone. After opening the App Store, now search for any good VPN in the search bar. Once the VPN appears, click the Get button to install it on your iPhone. So guys, once the VPN is installed, open it and connect it to your iPhone. So you can see that the VPN has been connected to the iPhone. Now go back to your CapCut application and see if the no internet problem is resolved or not. I hope that now the problem of no internet on your phone will be resolved. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.